Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Your girl is feeling great, y'all. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. Now, this wig is not new, all right? I've already done a full review of this wig, so if you would like the details of this wig, check the link down below. You can learn about the cap construction and all of that good jazz. This is their 13x4 lace front. It is their Brazilian straight wig. I have it in 22 inches and it is 180% in density. And y'all, I love this wig so much, okay? It is thebomb.com, one of the best wigs that I've ever reviewed, and I am still loving it, okay? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve some very beginner-friendly highlights. If you would like to see how I achieve these beautiful highlights in this wig, honey, stay tuned. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey, yes!
I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me.
Okay, y'all, and I'm back with the final look, y'all. Did y'all see how I did that? It is very easy. I did use some box dye, and I tried to make some areas lighter than other spots, but your girl got tired. Because you know, when you apply heat, when coloring hair, it makes it process faster. Y'all, my hands and arms and my feet, my ankles, my toes, I got tired. So even though I didn't get the color that I wanted to achieve, I feel like these highlights are very beautiful. They're very beginner friendly. Anybody can achieve this look. Y'all know I'm nobody's cosmetologist and I'm not certified. I feel like these highlights are just right. They're not too much. They're not too dramatic. And I feel like anybody can achieve them. They really can. I did not part the hair in no special way. I was just zigzagging the comb, you know, so it can actually be throughout the hair and not in just one spot. This wig still feels great. I still love everything about this wig. The hair did not get hard. The hair did not break off. The hair is still thebomb.com. So shout out to Nadula Hair for producing high quality wigs, y'all. I'm really feeling this look. And if you watched the original video, I loved the wig then and I still love it now. I probably love it more because it has like these beautiful chocolate highlights in it. Y'all, we is about to have fun with this color series, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and wrap today's video up. Like I said, this is in a review. If you would like the details on this wig, make sure you check out the first video, okay? So if you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just wanna say, girl, I love your hair and it's pop-a-locking, yes! Drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below. Hey, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing.